Hi traders, welcome to Trade with Asim and Sajjad. I'm here with the weekly analysis from 9th of July till 13th of July 2018. And let's move to our analysis. We start with the DXY US dollar currency index, and this is the weekly time frame. You can see for the last 3 weeks it's just trying to go higher, but then every time the price gets rejected. You can see the three bearish candles, and it's a very clear the indication for the further drop. And this week I'm looking at 93.20 and below. This can go to much lower level, but at least to this level. And while there is no good support for US dollar, even then if things turn out to be different, then it can go to 94.56, but 70% I'm on the bearish side. Even you can see the RSI and stochastics just indicating that it's going to further drop, and it's a very good chance to enter in a short trade if you have ever traded US dollar currency index. We will see on the daily time frame. Here it is, and even on the daily you can see here it actually started from here. You can see the price got rejected, then one day it went up, then the drop, and then this drop is confirming, like it's the third time it's dropping. And right now it looks very easy to to reach this 93.20, and even further. Even it can just come to this level on Tuesday, but who knows. But this is the minimum level actually, and we will be surprised to see, though on the daily it looks like oversold. But if we see weekly and monthly, let me share with you the monthly time frame, and here it is. On the monthly you can see it has just started dropping, and this can just lead to any level. So let's see, we move to Euro USD, and Euro USD is just looking great. It has bounced back from 1.1500, very good support level, and at the moment it's just doing great. I'm expecting this week we might see 1.1852 and much above this level. In case any bad thing happens for euro, then it can drop to 1.1500 again, though I'm not convinced with that. But technically speaking it's supposed to go up. You can see the RSI statistics just indicating it's going up. So very good week ahead for euro pairs. We just compare it on the daily time frame, and here it is on the daily too. It looks great, and I'm expecting a very good and profitable week for euro and all other pairs. We move to GBP USD, and GBP USD, though not that stronger like euro USD, but still you can see this weekly close, this green bullish candle is just indicating it's getting ready to go further up. And for this week I'm targeting 1.3445 and above. It can even go further, and in any other case, if it gets the price gets rejected, or anything special happens for US dollar, then it can again drop to 1.3056, though it looks very awkward at the moment. But it's a forex market, so anything is possible. RSI again, you can see it's oversold, so very good chance to get in a long trade. We just confirm our analysis with the daily time frame, and here it is. You can see though on Thursday it didn't look very good. I was even going to short it, but it just regained its position, and at the moment it's looking quite good, and it's just heading upward, though the RSI on the daily is not supporting our analysis. But we will have to keep in mind the political situation, and then financial news events for the GBP. So at that, if we compare to that, then it's definitely going up. We move to USD JPY, and USD JPY just going sideways for more than a month right now. You can see from here it just in moving in this channel actually, but the previous weekly candle closed in red, and it's suppose also we are thinking about the weaker US dollar, so it can drop to 109.39 and below. RSI also supporting our analysis, and other indicators are also just showing that it's going to drop. In other case, it can go up to 111.50 and above. We just reconfirm with the daily time frame. Here it is, and last week it really looked good actually. Most of us were just getting ready to long it, but then the things just turned out to be different. At the moment it's just heading to our desired target, which is 109.39 and below. Now RSI also good, and it's just showing there is a space to cover, so we hopefully will see our target to be reached. We move to USD CHF, and USD CHF is doing quite well, but the last week close candle it doesn't support an upward momentum, and this week it can just go sideways. It's not a very strong bearish trend, but with the weaker US dollar, definitely it's going to affect USD CHF pair, and the RSI also indicating like it's going down. We just confirm on the daily time frame. Here it is, though even on the daily it's just moving in this channel, sideways channel, but we might see till Friday at least. If it goes down, it's heading to 0.9787, and in case it goes up, then it's heading to 0.999. Let's see how USD CAD will do, and this is the most lucrative trade of the month actually. We all waited for it, and right now it's just giving us the results in the coming week, because of the dollar, the oil prices, and then the rate hike for the Canadian dollar, all just confirming a downtrend movement. And even the RSI, you can see everything is just in position technically or fundamentally. So very good trade. My minimum target is 1.300, which is very easy and reasonable target. It can go way beyond that. Even 1.29 or 1.28 is possible, but at least even if you short it from here, you can get at least like 80 to 90 pips. But I promise you, on the rate hike day, we are going to see at least 100 to 200 pips move to the downside. So very good trade, guys. Highly recommended, but do trade with the minimum lot size, and do put your stop losses. But it's more than 75% a confirmed downtrend. So good luck. I wish you a very best profitable trade for USD CAD. In case it goes up, it can even go to 1.3161 again. Let's see how it looks on the daily. And here it is, just confirming our analysis, and as you can see, very near. It's just a minimum target, just as I explained, but it's a minimum target. The next one is even 1.29723, and way below even we can see the daily low support 1.2735. It's not an impossible target, but at least you can have a very good profit at these levels. Let's move to Australian USD, and Australian USD on the weekly looks quite good, though still it hasn't confirmed, like it didn't cross the previous high. but I think the week can start in a very good trend for Australian USD pair, and my target is 0.7506 if it keeps going up. In case it drops, then it's heading to 0.7288, but especially this week, though on the weekly, if you can see, it's a long-term bearish trend, and but it's a very good reversal or a price correction. At least in the long term, it can reach to 0.76 and above, but for the coming week I'm expecting these levels. Let's see on the daily time frame, and here you see on the daily too, it looks good. It needs to just push much harder, but overall it's going well for Australian USD, although on the RSI it looks like overbought. But if we compare it on the weekly, then on the weekly it's looking quite good. Here it is, and on the weekly it's supposed to go up from here. So good luck for that. We move to New Zealand USD, and New Zealand USD looks quite good. It's better than Australian dollar, and I can expect this level 0.6923 looks quite a reasonable target. It can move even further upward, and you see the RSI and stochastics just indicating we will witness a very good uptrend or a corrective trade in New Zealand USD. On the daily time frame, even on the daily, you see for the last 4 days it's just cruising along, and our target looks quite reasonable at the moment. And from here it's supposed to go up all the way. Actually, even in at the end of week we might see 0.70 and above. On the other hand, if it drops, then it's dropping to 0.6670. So guys, our last pair is gold. It has been a good week for the gold, though it didn't do much. You can see the weekly candle. It looks okay, but I was expecting like the close should have been around 1265 and above. Only hope is now the weaker US dollar, which can take gold to the highest level in this week or by the end of the week. My target for this week is 1279.50 and above, and in case it drops, then it's heading to 1236.52 and even below, but the overall indicators are in support for the gold to go up. You see the RSI and the stochastics, it's already oversold on the weekly, so a good time for buyers to go up and have some good trades. So technically speaking, gold is supposed to drop more, but there are many factors which take the market to the other direction. In that case, I am in support of bullish momentum for the gold, and it can take gold to 1279 and above. On the other hand, if it keeps dropping, then 1236 is on the board. So thank you very much guys for watching. I will keep you updated. Hope you share and like our videos. I will see you with a new video. Until then, take care and bye.